Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box unboxing. This is a monthly subscription and you get all sorts of products in here. You never know what you're getting. There's always like a little thing on top. Sometimes it talks about the products and sometimes there's like little activities in here. So this one I think shows one of the items that we got. So their new catalog's out, but I'll just get into it and show you. So here's one of the new products. I saw a sneak peek of the unboxing, so I knew I'm getting this and trying not to mess up my nails. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is a mini fan diffuser. Comes with instructions, USB cord, and I think there's different colors you can get. But yeah, it has a little fan in it. And you turn it on, you put the little plug in there, and these are the pods that go with it. So they sit inside there, and I got the Clean Breeze scent, which is a classic. And like I said, this is new. Never used one of these, and I'm very excited for it. Cool little product to get in your box. Also got another hand soap. I feel like I've gotten a lot of those lately. This is called Now and Zen. I haven't smelled that one, but the packaging is really pretty. And these look small, but I use them in my kitchen and they last a really long time. I'm still just now finished using the one I think I got in like October or November. So, and I wash my hands constantly in the kitchen, so that just tells you how long that lasts. And then I got a strawberry rose bar. Let's see what that smells like. Yeah, that smells really good. I think that's the sample one that I got last month that I have in my warmer now. It smells really nice. Then we got a couple more little pod samples. We have a Spring Has Sprung, and then we have Iridescent Pearl. Those both smell really good. This is a good spring one. Sometimes I have trouble popping these out of here. This one's a little loose, so that one will come out easy. But yeah, I just put the whole one in my warmer, and it's just a nice little change up the scent. Then another sample, I got a pink cotton washer whiffs. So those are just like the scented beads that you put in your laundry to make it smell good. So love those. And they also included the brand new Summer Spring 2020 catalog. If you guys, there's a fan diffuser. They have like a light pink one too, it looks like. And I think they have another color too, I'll have to look. But if you guys follow my channel, you know I love Alice in Wonderland. And they have a little Cheshire plushie now, which I thought was really cool. Braylon doesn't really care about stuffed animals yet, so probably won't get it for her, but I was excited because a lot of times when they do Disney stuff, almost always Alice in Wonderland is excluded from that. I didn't see it in the back. I don't know if I'm flipping over it. I'm sure it's in here. Yeah, there's the Disney stuff. So they have Mickey and Minnie now. Back when I sold it, they didn't have any licensed products. Adorable. They have Bambi, Lion King, Dumbo, Spider-Man. Where's Cheshire? I swear I saw it. So here's the little fans. I got the mint one. It also comes in gray and blush, which is a light pink. And these are normally $15. So awesome that that was included. And then the scent pods are 10 and you get 2 of those. There's 28 fragrances available. Sorry if you hear Raylan in the back. But yeah, I didn't see Cheshire in here. But I know I saw it. So maybe it's just an online exclusive. But what I'll do is I'll link below the girl that I used to order through in case you want something. She might still have a party link set up for me in case I earn anything, but I will make sure to put all that below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.